Cupcake. Welcome back to a new cooking video. Now today, we are here with the one and only, kind of annoying, kind of an idiot, Plumsley! Plumsley, where do you go?
What do you want, Cupcake?
You said you were going to be in my video!
Cupcake, I never said that. I don't want to be in your silly little cooking video.
Yes, you did. This morning, you said you would be in my cooking video.
Only in one condition, Cupcake. You need to buy me AirPod Pros.
Oh my god! Fine, get up here.
Okay.
Okay, well, since we have her here now, we should go in the other room. See you there, the kitchen! Dude, you know I can't afford AirPod Pros. I'm only in college next week. What am I gonna do?
Cupcake, what do you mean you can't afford AirPod Pros? I gave you a $1,000 gift card like 6 months ago before we even were in college.
I spent the money!
You what?
Yeah,
$1,000?
I have to. It's like you and your stupid anime. You have to watch every single episode or else you get mad. Like, I like this all the time. And, oh no.
What do you mean, oh no?
The camera was recording us for an hour.
It what?
Let me turn it off, okay?
Okay.
This thing work. I don't even know how it works.
Is this thing working? Hi, this is Plum Sweet, and Cupcake's not here because she's at the store because she didn't have any food or supplies and stuff. This is our broken fridge, and this is our, oven that has this sticker on it because it doesn't have a window, and, yeah. Why'd you do all the supplies on the floor?
I'm surprised you got that thing working. What are you doing?
I was just telling the viewers why you weren't here, because you forgot that we don't have any food or supplies.
No, I thought we did. Apparently I used it all in the last video. Give me the camera. Guys, I'm so sorry for her. Did she kill you? I'm sorry. Okay?
Oh my gosh, Cupcake, stop this stuff.
Okay, guys. So now we're in the kitchen. And we're going to be making a cake. Isn't that right, Pipsqueak?
I need to go to the bathroom.
Really? Fine, go. I don't care.
Okay, yay!
Oh, God. Anyway, so, we're going to be adding, I got our bowl, and we're going to be adding in a flour as our first ingredient. Let's add it. Okay, now, I poured in the flour. I think might have pulled a little bit of extra. Oh no, I spilled some. Okay, whatever, pushes to side. I don't care. God, that's a lovely flour. Weird. Maybe it's expired. Anyway, now we're going to add the egg. Boop, boop, boop. And inside I got the shell. It's going to make it more crunchy. Ooh. Now I'm going to add some... Ah! Oh my God! There's fire! Ah! Pipsqueak, get in there! There's fire!
Whoa, what happened? There's so much smoke here. I leave you alone for like 2 minutes and you start a fire?
I don't feel so... Thanks.
Are you okay, Cupcake? Oh no. How does this always happen? I leave you alone for like 2 minutes and then a disaster happens. Are you okay? There was a fire in the kitchen, or just smoke, and because of the baking.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay, as long as you're okay.
Okay then. Let's get back to cooking!
Are you serious? You just fainted and you just said you were really tired and now you're ready to bake?